Welcome to another part of my Management Accounts Automation Masterclass. If you've landed here without context, I recommend starting with the introduction video. It's linked below. Everything you need to follow along is in the description. Let's get into it. Okay, so finally, balance sheet, which is the last report out of all these that can be based directly on the TB. For all the others, we will need to work directly with the data table. So what do we need? We need to bring all the balance sheet figures for current month. Let's look at the TB. What do we have? So basically, we're not interested in this anymore. We're just looking at current year, and we want balance sheet figures from a correct period, which means we have to index this and look for the period to make it dynamic. So we will do index the current year TB, one extra. Let's fix this. And now match the account name, just this one. Fixed the column. Match where in this array. And match 0. And column we will match current period in here. And exact match. Something's moving that it shouldn't. We need to fix this range. Nope. What else? Current period. Okay, this has to be fixed, the period range. Okay, so this is fine. Just copy it, copy, copy. Now, when we get to liabilities, we need to, how are they presented? Let me just see. No, we need to make it with a minus. And this should be fine, like this is. Okay, profit for the year we will need to get from a different place, not from the TB. Profit for the year, which is year-to-date profit. This should be, we've got this available now in this section here. So we want this figure, which is XLOOKUP current period. We will look for it in this section and return the year-to-date. And there is a difference which I'm going to look into. This is probably something to do with the sections that I added, like these. Yeah, so this one is not picking up everything. Let's just replace it with just some. Oh, that was enough. But let's just check the other ones. There's nothing, but this should be also added. That's fine. Accountancy accruals have added. That's fine. So okay, so this was the only thing. So the balance sheet balances, which is very important. And let's just do this. So we want it to look like this. So end of month. So let's just do text current month. And the format will be full month, day, comma, year, and we want as of at the beginning. As of space end. So this is dynamic now. Get rid of this. And other than not being happy with how it looks because it came straight from QuickBooks, I am happy because it balances. So this is it. The next section will be dealing with bespoke reports of all sorts that we cannot get data for from trial balance. We will need to dig it out from this table of all data. Thanks for watching. You're one step closer to a fully automated month end. And remember, you don't need to go through the entire masterclass before you start seeing results. Each layer we build adds practical automation that you can apply immediately to your own work. By the end of the series, you'll have everything you need to implement the full system to your own data. And if you'd prefer support or want the system implemented for your company, you can contact me through my website. I'll see you in the next lesson.